Hi everyone. Everybody knows how to use sum, average, and count. But real Excel analysis usually requires conditions. Today we'll focus on SUMIF and SUMIFS, AVERAGEIF, AVERAGEIFS, COUNTIF, and COUNTIFS. We'll be using our sales data set with product, region, salesperson, quantity, unit price, and sales amount. Let's start. Number 1, SUMIF, which is with one condition. Let's calculate total sales for the East region. We type this formula. Here, C column is the region, which is the criteria range. East is the condition or criteria. G column is the sales amount, which is the sum range. Excel now adds only sales where region equals East. A quick tip, you can also link the condition to another cell. For example, I create a cell where I can type the region name so that I can link the second parameter of SUMIF to that column for easy adjustments. Number 2, another example of SUMIF but with numerical condition. Now let's sum sales amounts greater than 1000. Try this formula. Since we are checking and summing the same column, we don't need a separate sum range. Important, when using comparison operators like greater than or less than, they must be inside quotes. Same thing here. We can add a cell that represents the criteria. Here we must use the ampersand symbol to combine the operator and the cell value. Let's move on to the next function, which is SUMIFS, which has multiple conditions. Now let's calculate total sales for a chosen item in the chosen region. In SUMIFS, the sum range comes first, then followed by a criteria range 1, criteria 1, and continued by the next ranges and criteria. Now let's try multiple numerical conditions. To keep it simple, I will use static criteria. You can follow what we previously did to make the criteria to link to other cells. This is the example for total sales between 500 and 1500. Now let's talk about AVERAGEIF, which is using one condition. The structure is the same as SUMIF. Now let's calculate average quantities sold for keyboard. Here, B column is product and E column is quantity. The next one is AVERAGEIFS, which is with multiple conditions. It has the same structure as SUMIFS. Now let's calculate average sales amount for the South region where sales are above 800. Let's talk about the next formula, which is COUNTIF. Now let's count how many transactions were handled by Alex. COUNTIF does not have separate count range and range like the average and sum counterparts. Here we just do the range and the criteria. The next one is COUNTIFS. Now I guess you can already guess the structure of this function. Now let's count how many laptop sales in North region are above 1000. This requires 3 conditions. The parameters are the range 1, criteria 1, and it continues. Follow the formula. Excel only counts rows that meet all 3 conditions. The pattern to remember, if the function ends with S, it allows multiple conditions. There are also minf, minifs, maxif, maxifs with the same structure as average and sum counterparts. The only function that is different from the others is the count, as we have discussed. Do try those out. That's all I have for you today. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Excel lessons.